My name is Sharon Barnett, and I purchased a Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. I worked with Mark Luthard. Mark was very easy to work with. Very low pressure, was very professional. It was just easy. I came in not intending to buy a car, but decided that maybe that would be the way to go. He explained all the features, set me up to work with the concierge. So overall, very happy with the experience. I had an older Mercedes and I came in to see the concierge to find out about Apple Carplay. Found out my older car did not have it. Decided maybe I needed to upgrade. Everyone I dealt with was really friendly, from the concierge to the finance person. Definitely a very positive experience. Well, first of all, I like the white color, I like the lighter interior. All the high-tech stuff was a plus. I'm still learning how to use that. I like the shape of the car because it was similar to my older 2015 Mercedes. So I kind of like that little bit of a squared look, smaller SUV, easy to drive, fits me well. Fabulous sunroof, full package, yeah. Highly recommend the dealer. Everyone here is friendly, professional, easy to work with. My name is Sharon. I purchased a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250.